If you're stuck in your full-time job, not starting an online digital business today is the biggest mistake you can make. You'll keep making that same paycheck every month, which probably isn't much. After rent, mortgage, kids, food, and all the other expenses, you are left with almost nothing. Most of people live paycheck to paycheck. So how do you protect yourself and your family? You need another stream of income, okay? Now, starting a traditional side hustle like a cafe or consultancy is tough and expensive. But doing it online, that's much easier and way more affordable, okay? The costs are low, but the potential profit is huge. Selling digital products, which is my specialty, makes me 100% commissions on every sale. And you can do it from anywhere in the world. And if you're working a full-time job, you need to create some time leverage, okay? How do you do that? Use software, systems, and automated sales process. Everything is automated, okay? Think about it. You simply create 1 or 2 free ads, free video content every day. And once you create this, they keep working for you. Just like this video, I only need to create it once. And it'll keep bringing in exposure for me and my business. You can do the same, okay? With a full-time job, you don't have much time, okay? So focus on activities that give you the biggest return. Sell digital products. You don't even have to create your own digital products. Just leverage other people's successful products, okay? Online learning industry is a 300 billion industry by 2025. You simply connect people to products they want and you earn a commission. It's a beautiful business model, okay? No shipping, no handling, and you don't need to deal with any inventory. Your job is simply to promote and market, okay? This keeps things super simple. It adds an extra stream of income, reduces your stress, and lets you afford more things. Eventually, if you want, you can build it to replace your job income. And that's what I did, okay? I quit my full-time vehicle parts delivery job in 2021 and now earn 10 times my old blue-collar job salary. So if you want more freedom, more income, and understand that working a 9-to-5 job isn't the best way forward, consider starting an online business. It can supplement your income and eventually become your main income stream, giving you more freedom and time for your family. If this sounds good to you, and if you want to know the exact system I'm using, let me know in the comments saying ready, and like this video and follow my channel for more content on making money online. Let's get it.